Have you ever wondered how you could invest in real estate without a single dollar in your pocket? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on some of the lesser-known strategies for getting your foot in the door of the property market, even when your bank account is running on empty. We'll be exploring a range of ingenious methods, from seller financing and lease options to leveraging partnerships and trading properties. So, don't let a lack of funds hold you back. Stay tuned as we delve into proven strategies to start your real estate journey with zero cash. Before we dive into the strategies, let's understand what real estate investment entails. At its core, real estate investment is the process of buying, owning, managing, renting, or selling real estate for profit. It often involves purchasing a property, usually a building or land, with the intention of earning money either through rental income, the future resale of the property, or both. The beauty of real estate investment is its potential for substantial returns. It can serve as a stable income source, providing cash flows from rents and leases. Additionally, real estate typically appreciates over time, which means the property you buy today could be worth significantly more in the future. Investing in real estate is not just about making money. It's a wealth-building tool that can provide financial security, diversify your investment portfolio, and even create a legacy for future generations. It's crucial to remember, however, that as with all investments, there are risks involved. The value of properties can go down as well as up, and there's no guarantee of profits. But with careful planning and strategic decision-making, the potential benefits can be substantial. Now that you understand the potential of real estate investment, let's explore how to jump in without any money. The first strategy we'll discuss is seller financing. Now, seller financing is a term you might have heard before but might not fully understand. Essentially, it's when the seller of a property, rather than a traditional bank or mortgage lender, provides a loan to the buyer. This can be an attractive option for people looking to invest in real estate without having any money up front. Here's how it works. You negotiate with the seller to pay the purchase price over an agreed period, just like you would with a bank mortgage. However, the seller is the one providing the loan, not a bank. Once the agreement is in place, you make regular payments directly to the seller. The property serves as collateral, meaning that if you default on your payments, the seller can reclaim the property. Now let's talk about the benefits. First, you're able to bypass traditional lenders, which can mean fewer hoops to jump through and potentially lower interest rates. Second, because you're not required to provide a large down payment, you can begin investing in real estate without a significant amount of money on hand. With seller financing, you can start investing without any upfront cash. That's what makes this strategy a viable option for those wanting to break into the real estate market without a hefty bank balance. Another exciting strategy is lease options. So, what exactly are lease options? Think of them as a way to play the real estate game without putting all your chips on the table up front. In a lease option agreement, you lease a property with the option to buy it later. This strategy works by paying a small option fee to the property owner, which gives you the exclusive right to purchase the property within a specified time frame, usually a couple of years. During this time, you can lease out the property, and a portion of the rent you collect goes towards the purchase price. The beauty of this strategy is that it provides time to raise the funds for the purchase and allows you to benefit from any appreciation in the property's value. It's a win-win. Of course, it's crucial to have a well-crafted lease option agreement to protect your interests. Remember, lease options aren't a magic bullet. They require careful management and a solid understanding of the market. But for those without a lot of money to invest, they can be a stepping stone to becoming a real estate mogul. Lease options provide an opportunity to control a property without owning it outright. Our third strategy involves building real estate partnerships. Imagine you're a skilled realtor with a knack for finding undervalued properties but lack the financial means to invest. This is where real estate partnerships come into play. You could partner with an investor who has the capital but needs your expertise to identify the right deals. Real estate partnerships are essentially alliances where each party brings unique skills or resources to the table. One partner might be an expert in property management, another in renovation, and a third in investment. Together, they pool their resources and share the profits proportionately. These partnerships can be highly beneficial, especially for those lacking the necessary capital to invest. They can help spread the risk, share the workload, and potentially increase the return on investment. Plus, they provide an opportunity to learn from experienced investors. However, like any partnership, they require trust, clear communication, and a shared vision. It's crucial to have legal agreements in place to protect everyone's interests. So if you're eager to invest in real estate but find yourself short on funds, consider forming a real estate partnership. It's about leveraging what you have, whether that's knowledge, time, or skills, to compensate for what you lack. In this case, money. Real estate partnerships can be a win-win solution for those looking to invest with no money. Our last strategy is all about trading properties. This method is a bit more unconventional, but it can be a fantastic way to get your foot in the real estate door when you're starting from scratch. So, what does trading properties entail? Well, it's quite simple. You're essentially swapping one property for another. This is often done when an investor has a property that isn't performing as well as they'd like, and they see another property that has more potential. But how do you trade a property if you don't have one to begin with? That's where creativity and negotiation come in. Perhaps you have a skill or service that a property owner needs, and you can barter that in exchange for a property. The beauty of this strategy is that it doesn't require any capital to start. However, it does require a keen eye for property value, excellent negotiation skills, and a willingness to think outside the box. Remember, every investor's journey is unique. Your path may not look like everyone else's, and that's okay. The key is to find a strategy that works for you and your circumstances. Trading properties can be a creative way to start your real estate journey without any upfront cash. There you have it, 4 proven strategies to invest in real estate with no money. Let's take a moment to circle back to these strategies. First, we delved into the world of seller financing. This method allows you to bypass traditional lenders and work directly with the seller to finance your property. It's a unique approach that offers flexibility and the potential to negotiate terms that suit your financial condition. Next, we explored the realm of lease options, a strategy that gives you the right to purchase a property at a predetermined price after leasing it for a certain period. This approach not only provides you with the time to gather funds for a down payment, but also lets you test the waters before taking the plunge. Then, we moved on to real estate partnerships. This strategy is all about pooling resources and expertise. By joining forces with other investors, you can overcome financial constraints and open up opportunities that might have been out of reach otherwise. And lastly, we talked about trading properties. This strategy enables you to exchange one property for another, often without the need for a hefty cash deposit. It's a clever way to leverage what you already have to acquire what you want. Each of these strategies presents a feasible pathway to real estate investment, even when your pockets aren't overflowing with cash. They're not just theories on paper, but real tactics that investors around the world are employing to grow their property portfolios. Remember, the lack of money shouldn't stop you from investing in real estate. With these strategies, you're now equipped to start your journey.